Listen, you're always stuck in traffic between job sites. Customers call you saying, "There's something wrong with my pump," and you already know you'll have to go back out at least twice. But why not work smart with H2D? H2D really makes your life easier. Connecting the pump to the app is quick and simple, allowing you to work smarter. Thanks to the installation map, you have everything under control. From both app and desktop, you can see the real-time status of every installation, details of every device, and the insights you need to know exactly what is happening. Having an issue, you get a notification right away. If needed, you can handle it remotely and only have to go on site when it's necessary. The great thing is that your customers can also keep an eye on consumption and operation as well. The result, they are happy, not having to contact you for every little detail. And with the premium account, you can get access to all device parameters, downloadable reports for customers, data history analysis, and all the tools to stand out from the competition.